Use daily for twerking. Probiotic lash enhancer with patented peptides technology. What is kind of burnt, yo? I'm not gonna lie. Hey, it's your girl Bad on BB, and today I have to do an unboxing with none other than BoxyCharm. They sent me another lovely box. I am so excited. If you didn't know, BoxyCharm is a subscription makeup service where you get 5 full-size items that are worth way more than just what the box itself is worth. This box is only $25 a month. You would subscribe to the service and you would get all of these goodies inside, and it's skincare, beauty tools, beauty goods, a lot of nice quality stuff. So I like to take this opportunity when I get a free box to show you guys what's inside and how I'm gonna use it. So it's August 2021 and this is the theme here. Go all out. Looking like the end of summer. Oh yes, it's definitely the end of summer. I'm kind of sad. Oh, now this is perfect for a CBD queen. There's this Purple Haze CBD Glossy Lip Butter. It is got 50 milligrams of CBD, pineapple, mango, jojoba oil, and vitamin E boost. It's a lip balm from Truly. Oh my gosh. Truly Beauty Pineapple Haze CBD Glossy Lip Butter. It is $16. It retails for $16. Not too bad, but dang. You are getting a little hefty amount of lip balm. And it's like a, let me open it. Oh, it smells, oh my gosh, it smells so good. I definitely get that pineapple. I got some Vaseline on my lips, but whatever. Soft. It doesn't really have a taste. It has like an essence. You know how like sparkling water has a taste, but it's not like sugary? Well, not the kinds I get, okay? It's just got the essence of whatever fruit was in there. This is like that. Ooh, vegan, clean, high-performing, animal cruelty. Like, this is good for the globe. Shout outs to you, Truly. I'm happy I found this. Yes, thanks BoxyCharm for putting me on again. Let's see what else. Hydrating face mist. I already use, everybody knows your girl loves some Raju face mist spray. My face mist spray, it has CBD in it, and I'm sworn by that because I love CBD skin products, which is why Truly is so freaking awesome. I wish Total Life Changes had a CBD lip balm. Jeez, I think they used to and then it went out, but anyways. This stuff right here is something else to add to my CBD skin collection. But now a hydrating mist. This is from Manakadar Skincare. This is known as one of the natural wonders of the world. The Dead Sea produces 12 minerals that are not found in any other sea or ocean. Ingredients like calcium, zinc, copper, magnesium, and potassium are known for their ability to help soothe, cleanse, revitalize, and strengthen skin. Okay, hydrate me then. Hydrate me. I did just clean my face. It smells really good. You shake well, hold arm's length, and mist face 2 to 4 times in an X or T formation. Close eyes before misting. Duh. It's not tested on animals, so that's good. Okay. Hydration Happy Spray. The only thing I can really see, it does have perfume in it. So if you don't like things with fragrance, that's my thing. I feel like it's highly fragranced. I should have looked at that before I sprayed it on my face, huh? But I'm not very sensitive to fragrance like some people. If you're one of those people that swear off of fragrance for the face, then this probably wouldn't be for you. But I like it. I'm still gonna use my Rejuve though. Monocolor Beauty Hydration Happy Face Mist retails for $19. Okay. Not bad either, not bad either for face spray. Frank Body Booty Drops, y'all. Booty drops? Firming body oil, caffeine, a butt forklift. Got grapeseed oil in it for baby soft booty. How to use: squeeze a few drops into your moisturizer or apply directly on skin. Rub it in a circular motion until absorbed for best results. Use daily for twerking. Get to know me. I'm a highly caffeinated body oil for firmer looking skin, better circulation, and more risque dance moves. What in the world? Whoever did the marketing and packaging for this, y'all are amazing. Pop Lock and Booty Drop. I wonder if this is a black owned company with all this stuff in the marketing like this. That's hilarious. Frankbody.com. How much are these booty drops? They're $17.95 for these booty drops. Okay, booty drops. It's supposed to squeeze 3 to 4 times into your moisturizer or use directly on dry skin. This is supposed to firm our booty. It's got caffeine in it, so it should wake it up. Let me rub this on my booty because I do got stretch marks and I have been doing these programs. I'm gonna do a separate video where I show you guys where my favorite apps and tools to work out. I think that'll be really helpful for you guys because y'all know I'm on this workout journey and it's been requested on my channel that I do a workout video. Man, this really smells like coffee. It smells like I put a whole latte on my booty. Oh my gosh. But yes, I am gonna start doing some workout videos for you guys on the channel so you can see what the girl is doing that's got me lit and fit. Yes, I'm rubbing my butt. Got me smelling like ground coffee beans. It's really got caffeine in it. I want to see because people are using that to in little creams and stuff to get rid of their cellulite. And sister girl, even though I don't have a lot of booty back there anymore, since losing weight, like the kid needs the cellulite and these stretch marks gone. So that'll be nice. That's nice. So, all right, booty drops. This is something you gotta try over time. Let's see what happens. And then, I think I'm missing something. Oh, here's, right, I'm like 4 products. BoxyCharm, I thought I was gonna get 5. But no, I saw the 5th one. Laura Geller, the Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette. Okay. The Laura Geller, the Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette. It has 12 shades. It's a pressed eyeshadow palette with velvety, matte, and shimmering suede finishes to create perfect looks for day and night. It retails for $45. So this little palette alone is more than this entire kit, and we got 3 products already. 1 with CBD in them at that, so that's saying a lot. Ooh. This is nice. I like this palette. Ooh. Ooh. I said ooh because look at this big mirror. I love this big mirror. Maybe I'll do a look with this in another video because I do want to give you guys some more beauty videos. I could totally work with this Laura Geller Casual Collection though, because it's very nude in daytime for me. Like I could rock with that. Nice. You notice I don't even put my makeup on when I do my BoxyCharm reviews because I don't know if I'm gonna get excited and want to put makeup on. But this is more, it seems like more skin and body stuff aside from the eyewear. So next, we've got the Probiotic Dr. Lily Fan Probiotic Lash Enhancer. Okay, now I might do something. Probiotic Lash Enhancer with patented peptides technology. What is, Dr. Lily Fan, what is really going on? I want to know. So basically, is this like an eyelash primer? Once a day, begin with a clean, dry eye area, free of makeup. Apply the lash serum along the upper and lower lash lines like a liquid eyeliner. For better results, apply lash serum from lash root to tip as you would apply mascara. Apply the treatment to dry thoroughly before adding makeup to application area. Do not rinse for 2 to 3 hours post-application. For optimal results, apply lash serum nightly to cleansed face and leave overnight. Okay, since this is pre-night, I will certainly do this. Let's see. Oh, so it's like a wand, you see. 96% of subjects saw an increase in lash length. 92% stated an increase in lash thickness and darkness. 93% noticed softer lashes in as little as 2 weeks. 98% showed improvement in health of lashes and overall appearance. As a lash wearer, this could be pretty clutch. You're saying that if I apply this overnight, like a lash liner. So if I apply this like a lash liner, that I should see better lashes over time. Let's see. A lash probiotic. Kind of burned, yo. I'm not gonna lie. We gonna see about that one. We gonna see. I think I'm gonna just leave it on that one eye. I can't do myself 2 times like that. That's gonna mess me up. Anyways, so you got to see what is in my BoxyCharm box for August. Do subscribe to the channel. I do more unboxings. I am your aunt of YouTube for health, beauty, wellness, and all things galore, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up for more content like this, and letting BoxyCharm know that we appreciate their boxes, and when you send them to the girl, you get good content. So in the meantime, in between time, it's your girl Bad Aunt BB, over and out.